in this short video. Sorry I could not record because I did not have my camera stand with me, but I bought the Rust-Oleum white gloss paint to fix some scratches that were on the patio door handle. And I did not want to sand it, but I taped everything else around it off really good. And then I used a backer plastic to protect all the other areas. And I sprayed it, and I just spray, you got to get your spray ready, spray up and down, and do even coats until you're happy with it. And then step back, let it dry, check for any drips. And then take off your blue painter's tape. And yes, there are going to be like some indentations. I probably should have sanded, but I was worried about getting it done right. And there you go. Make everything look better. If you like this, subscribe, please. Like and subscribe.